You can start a clothing brand with no experience, no design degree, no factory contacts, nothing. I'm going to show you step by step how AI handles the two hardest parts, the tech pack and the manufacturer. Step 1 is your idea. You don't sketch it, you describe it. On the Genpire dashboard, type what you want to make in one sentence and hit Create. AI turns your words into a real product. Step 2 is the tech pack, the document every factory asks for. The AI already built it. Open specs, and you've got measurements, materials, and construction all done for you. Step 3, your product visuals. Front, back, and side views you can drop on a store page or a pitch deck, all generated from that same sentence. Step 4 is sourcing. Open hand off and hit manufacture. Genpire builds a real bill of materials from your tech pack. Every fabric and trim with cost estimates attached. No factory network needed. Step 5, get a price. Open the production tab for your per unit cost, lead time, and volume pricing, then request your quote. The form fills itself from your tech pack. A real path to production. That's a clothing brand, from a sentence to a factory quote. No experience needed. The AI ran the hard part. You brought the idea. Start yours at genpire.com.